A student leader from Kanakapura, an 8-time MLA, a Congress troubleshooter, and now DK Shivakumar is set to take over as Karnataka's next Chief Minister. The Congress leader's rise marks the culmination of a political journey that began in the year 1980s through the NSUI under the encouragement of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Shivakumar first contested elections in the year 1985 and entered the Karnataka Assembly in 1989 from Sathanur. Over 4 decades, Shivakumar built his image as both an organizational strategist and a mass leader. Inside the Congress, he became to be known as the party's crisis manager, especially during political battles in Karnataka, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. As Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee President since 2020, Shivakumar rebuilt the party structure at the grassroots level and played a key role in the Congress victory in the year 2023 Assembly elections. In government, Shivakumar currently handles major portfolios including water resources and Bengaluru city development. The Congress projects him as the architect of several infrastructure and governance initiatives. Under his leadership, Karnataka expanded solar energy production beyond 6,000 megawatts, including the Pavagada Solar Park project. The government also highlighted Kaveri Phase 5, which added 775 million liters per day drinking water capacity for nearly 50 lakh people in and around Bengaluru. He has also been credited for pushing projects like the Bengaluru Tunnel Road Plan, metro expansion, digital property records through e-Khata and EV infrastructure with more than 4,400 charging stations. As Deputy Chief Minister, Shivakumar was also projected as one of the driving forces behind the Congress government's 5 guarantee schemes, which the party claimed benefited over 7 crore people across Karnataka. He is also known for openly expressing his ambition to become Chief Minister. Shivakumar repeatedly said he remained loyal to the party leadership despite political setbacks and delays. So viewers, Shivakumar is set to become the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.